In this video, we're going to go over the COLEMAN 27-piece all-purpose first aid kit. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. For one, I like how it's pocket size, so I can stick in my pocket, good to go. It's got a nice tin, nice robust tin. That's not going to come open, so I like that. The contents are 6 bandages, 1 inch by 3 inch, 4 small bandages, 2 butterfly bandages, 2 spot bandages, 2 knuckle bandages, 3 antiseptic wipes, 2 sting relief wipes, 1 2-inch large safety pin, 1 1-inch small safety pin, 2 antibiotic ointments, 1 razor blade, and 1 reusable tin. So we'll go ahead and get into the contents here. And the nice thing about it is it's all compact in a nice little organized place. It fits really nicely. There's also enough room in here that you can add other things in here if you wish to, like needles, more safety pins, thread. There's still quite a bit of room in here. It just comes with triple antibiotic ointment in these little packets. Same thing with the sting relief pads. And then the antiseptic towelettes. And then comes with the 2 safety pins, small and large. And here's the razor blade. To be honest with you, I don't know enough about first aid of why anybody would decide to have a razor blade in their kit or their first aid kit. So if you're more medically inclined than I am, please leave a comment down below and kind of explain why you'd have one of these in the first place. And then here's the H bandages. And then you got an assortment of all these small little bandages. And then bigger bandages. And this comes with 2 circular ones. So one of the things about this kit that I like is it comes with the antiseptic towelettes, the triple antibiotic ointment, and nice little packages of their own, sting relief pads. Would this be the perfect pocket kit? No, not really in my opinion, because it seems like a lot of these little things that they have on there, like the little bandages and stuff, I don't understand why you'd have those in the first place. I'd rather just use a knuckle bandage and call it good. But I do believe that this is a good kit to start out with and then improve on later on when you use these pieces. So that's my take on the COLEMAN 27-piece all-purpose first aid kit. Hope you all enjoyed. Stay safe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like future content like this, be sure to subscribe. Until next time, take care.